So hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today, mag-unbox tayo ng Carrot Bomb. And it's October, ano ngayon? 24. It's October 24. Tapos kare-release lang ng Philippine stop ng Enhypen. Tapos kararating lang nito. Sis! Wait lang kasi. Okay, whatever. First anak makasecure ako. Grabe. Anyways, so, i-unbox na natin to. Kung saan galing yung MOA bong tsaka yung engine bong, sa kanila din galing. So, i-unboxers ko na. Fragile.
2,000 years later.
We're gonna open it. Na-excite na ako. Oh my gosh. Tagal ko ng fan ng 17. Winarak ko, sis, kung ano man siya. So, sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam yung inclusions nito, kaya hindi kayo mag-alike. Oh, bubble wrap 1. 2. 3. Oh my gosh, ito na siya. Ay, ganyan pala siya. So, ito na siya. Oh my gosh. Official Lightstick 3. Version 3. Oh my gosh, nandiyan yung kapatid. So, naka-seal. Very ultra mega sealed. Tapos may hide. Oh. Gladys. So, wait lang. Hindi ko siya mas.
$2,000 years later.
Ayun, napusan ko na. Oh! Nakabahan ako. Oh my gosh, this eyes, it's so pretty. Wait, wala pa nga, it's so pretty na. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty! Oh my gosh. Ang ganda niya. Grabe. Prettiest light stick talaga ang 17. And yung battery niya is AAA. Yung tatlo. Katulad nung sa engine bomb. Hiramin ko yung, teka. May nating lagyan ng battery. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. 17. So pretty. Ang ano niya, tignan. Ang ganda. And then, merong yung strap. 17. Logo. And favorite ko, pouch. Favorite ko talaga yung pouch ng Hive kasi sa ibang groups walang pouch. So, nahirapan na magbit-bet. And, yun lang. That's the end of the unboxing. Ito na yung manual niya. So, ang sabi, para daw mabuksan, hold on, I'll get a battery. Okay, so I got the batteries na from Miniso. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa engine bomb pag magka-cup sleeves kami. And so far, it's so pretty. Ay, so pretty. Ang tagal niyang Hindi ko pa napapalitan ulit yung nasa engine mo. So, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, it's gonna light up. Saan nilalagay yung strap? Like, genuine. Ah, ayun, sa ilalim. Okay, so how do you open? Wait, where's the manual?
Years later.
Anyways, so tingnan natin. Pag di siya bumukas, hindi ito yun. Oh my gosh, ang liwanag pala talaga niya. Talagang pinapaliwanag ni Cho. Ay, pinapaliwanag ni Cho ng buhay ka. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. Patayin natin yung ilaw. Oh, look, it's so bright. Ooh. It's so bright. And it's so pretty. Hindi siya na makita pag madilim. Tignan natin. Ayan, nakikita. 17. It's so pretty. My 2015 carrot self is so happy right now. Oh, may light stick na ako. Pag di pa ako nakasecure nito, di ko na lang. And manifesting makasecure lahat ng makakanood ng video nito and yung mga carrots, sana makasecure tayong lahat. And onting weeks na lang, the next few weeks, 2 weeks, mag-ticket selling na end, guys. Sana makasecure tayo. And pati sa ENHA. My gosh. And that's it, guys. So, nababago pala yung ilaw as I press this. So, di ko nga alam kung sino mawala yung manual. Like, it's so pretty. Ang ganda ng colors, grabe. Talagang color ng ng 17 and carat. I'm so in love. So pretty. So pretty. Ito na yung totoong ending, guys. See you on my next vlog.